Rats are a core component of the digital ecosystem, and of course, a dancing rat has evolved to be a higher being in this ecological zone. Notice the beauty and grace of the low-poly dancing rat as it busts a move all over social media, widely beloved by all. The original iteration was designed and posted by Milton on the first day of 2025, using recognizable backgrounds from what appears to be gaming and pop culture references. Plus, the cherry on top is absolutely the music, which is called Chess by Joyful, except it has been slowed down in this instance. Part of the popularity of the meme is absolutely stemmed from Speed replicating the rat dance, which reached tens of millions of views and helped solidify Milton's creation in the ecosystem. This is because, as mentioned before, rats have long enjoyed a top position as a popular animal alongside dogs and cats. Despite not being a common pet, they are a common occurrence in our everyday lives, especially if you live in New York City. As such, pieces like Germa's famous rat movie from 2014, the Halo 3 rat, the 3D horizontal spinning rat, and the like have all become top dog over the years, and now it's the dancing rat's turn. After all, Milton has been posting videos of his character dancing for months, raking in millions of views, with the very first being Messi, Kermit, and the rat dancing in the pool rooms. It's clear they have a good grasp on how to get attention from online viewers, and it has worked extremely well for them lately. It's incredible how such a small animal, often regarded as the spreader of filth and vermin, can become so iconic online. Perhaps it is the fact that rats are stereotyped in such a way that their appeal comes from being goofy little fellas that get a lot of hate. To be able to turn that stereotype around and turn it into something cute and fun is appealing to many, and to see the animal humanized as a dancing low-poly creation that wouldn't look out of place in a video game is extremely appealing. This is why we're seeing it reposted everywhere, with animators incorporating it into their own works. It's become a properly huge meme because it flips the way we look at rats and turns them into entertaining silly creatures, which they ultimately are if you remove the bubonic plague allegations. In short, the dancing rat by Milton has become an international sensation, as it busts a move across the internet to the sweet sounds of Chess by Joyful, working its way up to the top of the digital ecosystem. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.